Hello all my creative friends. Thank you for being loyal to our creative channel. Today I will show you how to make flower earrings. This is from Organza fabrics. I hope you like and enjoy watching this tutorial. And don't forget like, subscribe, comment this video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this earring. The materials are organza fabric, hat pin, ear hoop, bead cup, bead, pliers, and soldering iron. The first step, you make a pattern, the flower, and you copy on the fabric like this, and you take a soldering iron and you use to cut, but be carefully. Like this. And this is the flower. You need four for a pair of earring. Like this. And you need 2 flowers per earring. Okay. You take hat pin and you take bead. You insert the bead like this. You insert the flower. You need to and then you take a bead again. You take bead cup and you insert like this. You take a plier, you cut, you take ear hoop and you insert and you close. And the flower earrings has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.